Good morning, students. So, today we are going to start the new chapter, chapter 7, working with OpenOffice Calci. So, in the last chapter, we learn about OpenOffice Writer. It refer for the documents. For preparing document, we will use the OpenOffice Writer, and here OpenOffice Calci, we to prepare the Excel sheet or spreadsheet, we will use this OpenOffice Calci. So, spreadsheet is a very useful office automation tool to organize, analyze, and store data in a tabular form. So, what is the use of spreadsheet? To arrange any data in the form of tabular, we will use the spreadsheet, right? Like same like that of the Microsoft Excel we are using now. So, the same method is we are using in OpenOffice is the Calci method. So here, spreadsheet instead of paper writing, we after the development of the computer, we used in system using the spreadsheets for any calculations or for storing any data or any values. We started using the spreadsheets. Okay, so in this is the tabular in the form of tabular, and this tabular form is used to organize, analyze, and store data in the form of tabular. So here, Daniel Bricklin and Bo Fraxton developed the first spreadsheet set. That name is called VisiCalc in 1979 for Apple II. Again in 1982, Lotus Corporation introduced Lotus 123, and Lotus 123 was the first to introduce cell names and macrons. So in 1987, Microsoft Corporation introduced Excel. So Excel implemented a graphical user interface and ability to point and clicking using a mouse. There are lots of other spreadsheet applications. So Microsoft Excel continues to be the most popular spreadsheet software. So today also we are using the Microsoft Excel. Most of them are using the Microsoft Excel only. We are using for storing the data and for calculations. So this OpenOffice Calci is also the same method like Microsoft Excel, and this was introduced by Daniel Bricklin and Bob Fraxton. So next, OpenOffice Calci is a popular open source spreadsheet applications that was maintained by the Apache Foundation. Star Office Calci was the parent application of OpenOffice Calci, which was developed by a German company, namely Star Division in 1985. So Excel, this OpenOffice Calci is also the popular spreadsheet applications used for storing the data and for calculations, and it was maintained by the Apache Foundations, and this it was followed by the parent of Star Office Calci. So Star Office Calci also have the same type. So this Star Office Calci is also used to used as an Excel sheet only, used as a spreadsheet for organizing the data and for calculating the data. We are using the Star Office Calci. So OpenOffice Calci was followed by the Star Office Calci, and it was developed by the German company Star Division in the year of 1985. So how we can work with OpenOffice Calci means, so OpenOffice Calci is the spreadsheet component of OpenOffice, and you can enter any kind of data in the spreadsheet and then manipulate this data to produce certain results. Okay, so how we can work with OpenOffice Calci means, we can enter any data and again we can calculate the data to get the result. Alternately, you can enter data and then use Calci in a what if manner by changing some of the data and observing the results without having to retype the entire spreadsheets. So and also we no need to enter the whole spreadsheets. Instead of that, we can use the what if that is used to calculate. So by clicking that, we will get the result, or we can fill the spreadsheet. So Some of the features of OpenOffice Calci are it was connecting with Excel, ability to open, we can edit and save Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. So this OpenOffice Calci can also able to using this application we can also able to edit and open, edit and save the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet also. And here this is used to add content of a cluster of adjacent cells. Here also we can able to add the cells, okay. And list autofill, that means automatically extends the cell formatting when a new item is added to the end of the list. So here automatically the cell will be get extended if you are adding at the end of the cell, the new cell will be formed automatically. Then autofill allow you to quickly fill cells with repetitive or sequential data such as chronological data or numbers and repeated text. So autofill can also be used to copy the functions. You can also alter text and number with this feature. So autofill options also having in this OpenOffice Calci. Using this autofill we can alter the text, we can copy the functions, everything we can use done with this autofill options. Then chart, it will help to represent presenting a graphical representation. We can using this charts in OpenOffice Calci we can represent a graphical presentations like a pie, bar, line charts and more. Then functions which can be used to create formula to perform complex calculations on the data. So it's also have the key features like functions which is used to create formula for the very complex for big data or big calculations we can able to create the formula. The next one is the database functions. Database function is to arrange, store and to filter the data. We will use the database function, and this database functions is also have in this OpenOffice Calci. So next, how we can create a new worksheet. So first we have to go to start, then all programs, then we have to click OpenOffice. So the OpenOffice Calci will be opened. So from that we will get the welcome screen. So double click on the OpenOffice icon on the, otherwise if it is was present in the desktop we can double click, automatically the OpenOffice Calci will be opened. So this screen is called the Start Center. So the now the screen OpenOffice screen was open, no, so such a screen is called the Start Center. So Calci is one of the component of OpenOffice, so it may be invoked from the Start Center by simply clicking on the spreadsheet icon. Okay, so in the front page it will shows like this. This is the front page of OpenOffice. So here all the other forms of OpenOffice will be given here, like a text document. That is, if you want to, if you are using the writer if you are using the OpenOffice writer means we have to click the text document. So this text document is used to prepare any documents or to type anything in Word. We can use this text document, okay, like Microsoft Word. Instead of Microsoft Word, here in OpenOffice we will use the text document. So that is called the writer, OpenOffice writer. Next is the spreadsheet. Spreadsheet means, so like Excel sheet. So here we have to click the spreadsheet options, then the this like this one tabular column will be opened. So this is used to for the calculating of, this is the spreadsheet, and this spreadsheet is used to store the data or to calculate the data we will use, okay. Next is the presentation. So presentation is all that means you will study the next chapter. Presentation is to type about the slides preparations. We will click this presentation options. So these are the This are the some of the components of open office. So while we are clicking the open office icons, this column will be open. So from this column we have to select what we need. If you want to type any document, we will click on to text document. If you want to create an excel sheet or spreadsheet, we will click to spreadsheet. And if you want to prepare a slide, we will click on to this presentation. So this is the open page of the open office calci no sorry commonly open office. So this is the spreadsheet, and here we will type what we want to enter, and in the formula columns we will type the formulas, and at the end we will get the results. So these are the buttons we have in this spreadsheet columns, that is title bar, menu bar, name box, address box, then formula bar, input line, zoom, control button, toolbar, quick functions, wizard, formatting properties, and scroll bar and status bar. So here first one is the title bar. The one represents the title bar. So title bar means it will gives the title of the calculations, and the next at the end of the title bar you have the control buttons. So here is the control buttons. This refer to the the minus line, no, that refers to the minimize, and next is maximize, and the into refer to the close. I think this all you know. So next column, the third number refer to the menu bar. Here we having menus like file, edit, view, insert, format, tools, data, window, and help. So file means in the file column we have the new files, or to open a new file, or existing file, or to open a new file we will click to the file. Then to if we want to edit means we will click to edit, and there will have many edit options. Then we will have the view. In the view also we have the many options. What we have to view the existing file or anything. Then we have the insert file. Using this insert file we can able to insert any pictures or any tables or any chart, everything. Then format means we can able to format or change, and if you want to change anything, format the cells, format the column or anything, we can click to format, and they will have some options. Then tool refer to what tools it have, cut tool, then edit tool, what tool it have, we can click to the tools. Then again data. So in the data column we can see about what data it will represents, and what are the date what data in the columns we have to enter. So then so these are some of the menus that present in the menu bar. So next is like the fourth one we call like a tools bar. So this tools bar column is that in the all these are the tools bar. So these tools bars we can, what is the use of toolbar means we can able to that means we can able to change the size, font size, we can able to minimize, maximize, or we can able to change the font, everything we are you going to use this toolbar. Then name box. In the name box we will write the name of the calculations. Then the formula bar is used to write the formulas. So all these are the some of the tool or options or the menus or the tools which are present in the spreadsheets. So this is for today guys. Thank you.